today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company RPGSHOW. If you are new to my channel, I love me some RPGSHOW, okay? A little pricey, but I love me some RPGSHOW. So I'm gonna make sure to leave all the details down below for you all, but let's get into this new beauty right here. Just gonna go ahead and open up the box. Now I did kind of peek a little bit, okay? I opened up the little bag because it comes like this. I'm just gonna show y'all. Not that y'all probably care, but it comes wrapped like this. So I just kind of peeked at it a little bit, but this is the unit. Okay, we're ready to get into some summertime vibes with the blonde highlight. So this is why I chose this one. A dark wig cap in the box. And then of course they sent over the wig details. But let's go ahead and get into this beauty right here because I'm super excited. I'm super excited to try this one. They're blonde with caramel highlight wig. This one is in the length 20 inches. I did choose the 13x6 options. This is their Glueless Fit 2.0, and this one is stated to be 200% in density. The lace area looks like you do get your tinted transparent Swiss lace. This one also comes with invisible knots and the real scalp, upgraded pre-plucked hairline, and pre-bleached knots. You get a comb on each side right here. You also get a comb in the nape area. You get your adjustable straps. You get a little bit of lace back here, so if you want to put your unit up into a ponytail, and then you also get your adjustable elastic band. I just want to get into the scalp before I even put it on my head because it looks really good. As you can see, the lace is still on. Now this lace looks a little bit light right here, but you can definitely see that the lace is tinted. And cut off the lace in the nape area, and then I tightened up the adjustable straps. I did not tighten up this band because of the new Glueless fit. They already fit my head good, and so now it's just like taking it up another notch. So I don't want it to be too tight, and I might have to kind of loosen up these adjustable straps also. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna put this on real quick so we can see what it's looking like. This is what Miss Ma'am is looking like on so far, and I can already tell the vibes, okay? I can already tell the vibes. This hair is definitely giving housewife vibe, but this color is going to be perfect for the summertime. So I'm happy I did not go ahead. So I'm happy I did not adjust that elastic band because, like I said, with the new Glueless 2.0 fit, it is snug, okay? It's already snug, and their wigs fit me good already, so it's not like you have to just really do too much. And yeah, let's get into this hairline. This is their new upgraded pre-pluck hairline. You could pluck it out a little bit more if you would like to, but the thing I like about their hairline is that it's not too thin, it's not too thick. I think it looks perfect. And then this is what it looks like on this side. Of course, I chose the 13x6 options. You can check the website to see what other options they have if you are not a fan of the 13x6. I personally love their 13x6 wigs. It doesn't bother me. Yes, the lace does come over a little bit, but that's just an easy fix for me because I can always cut it off on the side to make sure it fits my head perfectly. And I just said a mouthful. I did. Into this parting space, so it does come as a middle part, but you can always move this to the side if you choose to. All right, and you can go all the way over. Now you'll run into the little track right here, but if you wanted to do a deep side part, let me see how far you can go over. This is about how far I will go over. I wouldn't try to do too much, but yeah, this color blend is absolutely gorgeous. Go ahead and get to styling this. I did forget to mention that this is a silky texture. Yes, you guys know I love me some yaki texture when it comes to RPGSHOW, but when it came to this color, I decided to choose this option, and I don't feel like it looks too silky. So we'll see once I start playing around with it and styling it what it's going to give, but so far so good. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into styling this unit, seeing what I can come up with and how we're gonna make this look, and then I will be back to show you guys the final looks and also to tell you guys my final thoughts.
could be selfish. Standing some nights on the rooftop. We could be living, staying up late until the moon drops. We could be gone winning all around the world, baby, non-stop. It's you only, we could do it all, and it's all love. We could be selfless, we could be falling in love. Falling in love, falling in love. We could be vibing, we could be riding the rush. We could be selfless. Let's go along for the ride. We could be selfless. Let's go along for the ride. We could be selfless. We could be falling in love. Falling in love, falling in love. We could be vibing. We could be riding the rush. We could be selfless. Let's go along for the ride. We could be selfless.
This wig is absolutely gorgeous. Like, it's beautiful. The color, even though this isn't a yaki texture, the texture of this hair feels really, really nice and soft, but it still has like a little bit of texture to it, and I feel like it's coming from the highlights. But this is, she's beautiful. She's beautiful. I really don't have any cons when it comes to this hair, just because of how well done this unit is. Looks luxurious. It definitely looked like it cost some coins, okay? Yeah. Did a glueless install because when it comes to RPG Show, their units fit me really good. I cut off the ear tabs on the side and it's laying down very well. I use my olive oil mousse. Now you can kind of still see this flapping up a little bit. If you are self-conscious about that, you can always go in with a bobby pin and kind of tuck that lace so it's not noticeable, or you can go in with some type of adhesive spray right here so it doesn't move. That's something I would do, especially if I'm having a long day and I just don't want to have to worry about it flapping up if I'm going somewhere where it's going to be windy or showing. But I would not put anything else up here because this is pretty snug. I did feel a little bit dry when I combed it out. I did end up putting some of my Sleek and Shine serum, and that's also helped with some of the frizziness because I did notice this hair is just a little bit on the frizzy side, and then also help with some flyaways. Now the shorter hairs at the top I did not notice when it was a middle part, but as a side part, especially because I did not go in with any mousse at the top, I just used some of my wax. I'm seeing the shorter hairs. Like, can you guys see them? Yeah, I'm definitely seeing some shorter hairs. So I would probably just add a little bit of wax at the top just to combat that, so that it is not too noticeable, because it was kind of sticking up everywhere. But now it's laying back down because I did put some wax in that area. With the middle part, I did not have to put any powder, but when I moved it to the side, it was just a little bit more tighter. So I added some of my powder into the parting space, and it helped to open it up and look like scalp. As shedding and tangling goes with this unit, I did receive just a little bit of shedding, very, very little amount. Keep in mind, I'm wearing this straight out the box. And then also, as far as snags go, I noticed the snags more so like right in this area when I was combing through it, but very easy for me to run my comb through, the brush through. This one is definitely going to be perfect for the summertime because of the color blend. I love how they did it. The ends on this look good. Now, it says it's 200%, and y'all know with 200%, I always feel like it's supposed to feel a little bit fuller. But the good thing about this unit is it's not too thin, it's not too full, and also you're not gonna notice any tracks. It is covered all the way around, and it looks really good. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see what it looks like if you wanted to put this into a ponytail. I don't know, sometimes they're 200%, depends on the unit, looks really full, but when it comes to the silkier textures, it can be a hit or a miss for me, but it's never to the point where I think it's too thin. It's just like 200%. I always think it's supposed to be like heavy. Now this one does have a little bit of weight to it, but it's not super heavy, and I actually prefer this density because I feel like it looks realistic without doing too much. If it was in like a kinky straight, 200% would be a lot. It would be a lot. So I actually like the density on this because I feel like I can go outside in this heat and I won't feel overwhelmed. Now the heat gonna make me feel overwhelmed, but I won't feel like I'm gonna have to snatch off my unit. But y'all, let me know what y'all think about this. I love how it's dark rooted at the top. I love the color blend. I feel like this one definitely can be worn all year round. The length on this is perfect. Like I said, this one's definitely getting 2 thumbs up for me. I absolutely love it. But if you are interested in this units, because I know it costs a little coin, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below. Also, I do have a coupon code. I'm going to run it across the screen and also put it in the description box too. Let me know what you think. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on those notifications, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.